Hey there folks, I got something new for you for the channel. So, this is my service weapon. This is 10 million years old. My tritium sights are done. They're nice. I love them. They work well, but they no longer glow in the dark. Let me see if I can show you that. You can't even see it. It's done. So what I did was I purchased new front dot and rear aperture sights from North Forest Arms. So I discovered about this company from a website, a Facebook group that I follow, and I thought it was very unique. I love the rear sights. It's hard to hold without blocking it, but you can see it's definitely a unique design. Let me show you the tritium. So you can see here, tritium works well. Where's the other one? I'm fumbling for it in the dark. Here's the other one. So yeah, I'm interested. I needed new sights anyway. Figure I'll check these guys out. This is a large front dot. This one's an orange one. They have a green one also, but I kind of like, the orange. I like the black and orange, right? So they claim it's high precision, maybe because it's got a circular rear sight that basically envelops the front sight. I can't do it. Once I put it on the gun, then I'll show you guys. It's harder to do here. I don't have tweezers or anything. This is machined from a solid high-grade steel, which is nice, because some of them come in like plastic, right? Some of the sights are made out of some kind of plastic. And again, it's a green tritium, right? Which is, it gives a nice superior glow in low light or no light. Yeah, this is my Glock 19. This is what I'm going to install it on. I have that rear tool, rear sight pusher that I'm going to hopefully do it with you guys. Let's just take it down. This is empty, of course. Break it down for you. Take a look at what's going on inside. Take all this out. Oh, that's different. So that's going to be an issue because I don't know if you guys can see that. I should have just checked that out before. Usually this takes hopefully you guys can see it, a 3/16 tool, and that doesn't look like a 3/16 tool. So I don't know, 3/16 tool. I don't know how I'm going to remove this. Here is the screw that's supposed to go back there. This is an older Glock. Oh boy, that just messed me up.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're going to change that up. So I called the people at North Forest Arms, and they assured me that these sights that I bought for my 19 will fit my Glock 26. It would have been ideal if I could have put it into my Glock 19 since those tritiums are done. But like these still work very well, actually. So I'm going to put these bad boys in. So you can see the sights that I have on my 26. The North Forest is a little bit wider. All right, if we can see that, it's a little bit wider. And you can see that the rear sights, the tritiums, are a little bit far spread apart. But it looks like it will accommodate the width of the barrel. So you see here, the sights, there's gaps there. I actually want to show you the other gun. I probably will show you the other gun. And then these, looks like it will pretty much take up the whole width of the barrel. So that'll be interesting to install. And the rear side and the front sights, right? You can see there, it's a little bit, slightly longer. A little bit. So here's a side-by-side of the Glock 19 versus my Glock 26, and you can see it's essentially the same width, which makes sense. And my concern was that this might be a little too wide. As you can see, the sights here, I just want to show you this really quick. You can see the sights here, it doesn't go to the end. This thing isn't even perfectly centered. Sorry for the camera moving. It's not even perfectly centered. See, it favors the right side more. I've been shooting with this thing for decades and well. And so, wow. So, I mean, do people, when they put their sights on, do they just eyeball this? Right? The gunsmith that put this on at the job probably just eyeballed this. Like, good enough. Good enough. Right? This one's better. This one's better centered. So I'm just going to eyeball putting that on. Yeah, let me just, I don't know if you guys could see it before, but this is an old Glock 19, and you can see there, right? I don't know what the hell that is, right? So it's not a hex. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's something press fitted in there, but it won't accommodate this sight because it's got that 3/16 screw. Now the Glock 26 does have the hex. Can you see it? Right there. So that should not be an issue. Okay, so we're going to remove that hex with my tool over here. Try to keep it in lock and view. Lefty loosey. Oh, it's coming out already. Good hold. Magnetic. Nice. Out. Now, they have a screw in there already. And then they give you an extra one. Wait a second. Yeah. Don't know what that's about. Just clean off the top a little bit. Now. Oh, I see. This was a little bit, I'm not going to lie, that was a little bit of a bitch. It didn't fit like as the original. The original just popped in. This, I did have to hammer in a little bit, which I know you guys are going to say, no, you're not supposed to hammer it. I didn't want to hammer it in, but it needed to be hammered in with, you know, lightly, tap, tap, tap. I did call North Force Arms, and they said, yeah, you could tap it in. It's supposed to be snug so your sights don't move, blah, blah, blah. So I set it up on the doohickey. I started to push it out already, but I figure I'll show you guys. It's locked in. So I'm going to try to do this for you guys on camera. All right. So cool. That's out. Okay, it's out. I'm going to slide this out. There it is. Okay. Okay, folks, installed. Let me tell you, that was a little bit of an ordeal. I used this rear side pusher. I think next time I'll just pay for somebody to do it. I did it. I did it. Maybe because I'm like everyone else, I'm a little bit too cautious. But yeah. All right, here we go. Sight alignment. I think I did a pretty good job on that. Equal sides on that side, on that side. Can't wait to shoot this at the range. Very cool sights. That is the North Force Arms rear sight and front sight in the orange. Look at that. That is definitely a unique unique sight. There it is. I definitely can't miss that orange, huh? All right, guys, peace.